So today we have a video that's pretty different from the normal channel. What we're going to be doing is doing a before and after on my exhaust. Now I'm recording this clip before we obviously finish doing it. As you can see, it's way up in the bumper. There's a ton of horrible welds underneath, and the car has Glasspacks on it right now. We're going to be swapping that to some Stainlessworks chambered mufflers, just to make the car a little bit more drivable and save this bumper from becoming black on the inside. I really hope we can get through it, because there's going to be a lot of cutting and welding under that car to undo the mess that's under it. Here's a before clip of those Glasspacks. Exhaust is almost ready to go. It's looking neat. Three weeks later, we finally finished the exhaust. Now, this job took somewhere between 15 and 16 hours. But if you can see, the tips are now no longer in the bumper. They're completely out of it. Car looks fantastic, and it sounds great. I'm gonna show you guys an after clip shortly after. It looks pretty nasty under here, but you know what? It sounds really good, and it doesn't bang around like before. I'm happy with the result. Cue that clip. We're finally finished the exhaust. What a journey that was. I'm just happy it's done at this point, and I really can't get over the sound. It sounds really, really good. Other than that though, I mean, it was a complete pain because the car was so gone underneath, but it looks way better from the outside. The mufflers aren't scraping the ground, and it was pretty cheap to do this. All I paid was the price for the mufflers, and then maybe like $30 in hangers and clamps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I noticed on camera they both sound like different from in person, but I'm telling you, in person, these Stainlessworks mufflers, they sound amazing. So next time something breaks on this car, I'll have yet another video.